Hello, my name's Carly Davis from Luxury Locations. Today we're here at Hamilton House number 3. Let's go and take a look inside. As you come into Hamilton House number 3, you are welcomed by this open plan kitchen living area. Over here you have the fridge freezer, the washing machine, the microwave, and a window looking out. And in the kitchen area you have, to the side of the kitchen, a dining area for 4. From the dining area you are here in the living room, which has an AC, a fan, and the entrance to the back door. Hamilton House number 3 is a ground floor apartment. We are currently in the open plan living area. The property has 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom has an ensuite, and there's also a guest bathroom. Let's go and take a look. We are now in the primary bedroom. You can see you have an entrance out to the back and this window bringing in a lot of light. You have your AC and your fan. One of the things I love about this primary bedroom is you have access to the outdoor area from here. As you head on out, you have an area to have your morning coffee, a barbecue, the patio area, alfresco dining, and also further access to the property over here. Let's go inside and take a look at the ensuite. This is the master bedroom ensuite with a shower and your vanity over here. Coming out of the master bedroom ensuite, we'll take a look at the second bedroom. Here you have your second bedroom. There's 2 single beds in here, a lovely view out into the outdoor area, a wardrobe, your fan and your AC. With the window here you can see out onto the shared pool. So this property is one of 4 apartments. We are in the ground floor and the shared pool and the shared garden is exceptional. Now let's go and take a look at the guest bathroom. So here you can see the guest bathroom actually follows the same theme as the ensuite. It's a good spacious area with your shower, your vanity and your toilet. I've just come down from the primary bedroom and we are now on the pool deck. This is the shared pool for the 4 apartments. There's open space out here with the garden area, a shaded area if you want to take a break from the Caribbean sun, or head on in and take a dip in the pool. To recap the property, Hamilton House number 3 is a ground floor apartment. It's one of 4 apartments with a shared pool and a community feel. You have 2 bedrooms, one the master bedroom with the ensuite and a guest bathroom. The kitchen area is open plan living area. The outside area also has table and chairs for your morning coffee or your alfresco dining. It has a barbecue and a lovely view of the landscape. This property is priced at $395,000 US, and if you'd like to know more or want to take a viewing, please head on over to luxurylocations.com or email us at info@luxurylocations.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.